Hi and welcome. I have watched the data practices in banking grow in the last 2 decades. In the dynamic world of banking, one technology stands tall, reshaping the landscape and redefining the rules of the game: machine learning. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a transformative force, breathing new life into the banking sector, particularly in retail banking. Take a moment and consider credit scoring and risk assessment. Traditional methods, burdened by manual processes, often struggle to keep up with the sheer volume of data. Enter machine learning. Sophisticated algorithms sift through vast datasets, accurately predicting creditworthiness. A prime example, JP Morgan Chase. They leverage ML to optimize credit risk analysis, enabling informed lending decisions and reducing potential losses. Now, let's shift gears to fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms are not just passive observers, they're active learners, continuously adapting and identifying patterns indicative of fraudulent behavior in real time. HSBC is a case in point, deploying machine learning models to detect anomalies in transaction patterns, thereby preventing fraudulent activities with speed and precision. But it's not just about numbers and patterns. Machine learning also shines in customer service. ML-powered chatbots are revolutionizing customer interactions, understanding natural language and providing relevant responses. Just ask Erica, Bank of America's virtual assistant, who uses ML to understand customer preferences and offer personalized financial advice. Machine learning's importance in banking cannot be overstated. It brings speed and efficiency, processing vast amounts of data at lightning speed, a vital attribute for quick decision-making in banking operations. It delivers accuracy and precision, continuously refining predictions based on new data. And it enhances customer experience, offering a more personalized and seamless journey through personalized recommendations and predictive analytics. Banking data is predominantly structured, organized, and easily analyzable. ML algorithms thrive in this environment, recognizing patterns and relationships within the data. While the challenge of unstructured data looms large, machine learning's efficiency in handling structured data positions it as a reliable tool for foundational banking tasks. But the story doesn't end here. As generative AI gains traction in the banking sector, offering new possibilities for automation and content creation, ML continues to hold its ground. It maintains its stronghold in structured data analysis, excelling in critical banking functions such as credit scoring and fraud detection. The roles of ML and generative AI are not mutually exclusive. They complement each other. Machine learning ensures precision in structured data analysis, while generative AI contributes to content creation in more creative domains. Over the past 2 decades, machine learning has proven to be a game changer, catalyzing a shift towards data-based decision-making across organizations. Its speed, accuracy, and adaptability to structured data make it indispensable for tasks ranging from credit scoring to fraud detection. As generative AI makes its mark, the continued relevance of machine learning becomes evident, especially in handling the structured data that forms the backbone of banking operations. The union of machine learning and generative AI promises a future of banking that's more efficient, personalized, and secure than ever before.